How to increase your blood D level from 20 nanograms per milliliter to 150 nanograms per milliliter. I found a flaw in the standard protocol. If you take 60,000 IU once a week, your body hits a metabolic ceiling at 80 nanograms per milliliter and stops. But to cure leaky gut, we need to hit 150. Today, I am showing you the daily protocol required to break through that ceiling. By week 20, the liver conversion pathways saturate. You plateau at 75 to 80 ng/ml. The body begins clearing the excess. At this rate, you will never reach the 150 ng/ml healing threshold.
This video is a follow-up of our Part 1 video, The Secret 2026 Formula for Ultimate Longevity. https://www.youtube.com/watch?v=FPMIQKQOBDG. Please watch the above video. The link is in the description and comments.
The protocol to be used is shown in the flow chart. Phase 1, the daily breakthrough, the Gundry method. The protocol: to reach 150, we must shift to a daily dose of 10,000 to 20,000 IU. This sustained daily pressure bypasses the weekly saturation point. Timeline: this requires 52 weeks. Critical: because this bypasses your body's natural limits, this must be monitored by a doctor with regular blood tests. Congratulations! Your D level now is 150 nanograms per milliliter. When you cross the body limit of 80 nanograms per milliliter to 150 nanograms per milliliter, your leaky gut will be cured along with all related illness, autoimmune diseases, etc., and you will become the superhuman. After this, we will switch back to weekly supplementation of 60,000 IU with a rest period of 22 days, done repeatedly, and your serum D level will oscillate from 60 to 80 nanograms per milliliter. That will be the maintenance level. Phase 2, the new oscillation, 60 to 80 nanograms per milliliter, with 8 weeks supplementation and 22 days rest. The reset: once you hit the 150 healing point, we give a forced rest until you fall back to 70 nanograms per milliliter. Maintenance: then, we return to the weekly 60,000 IU dose. Because we aren't trying to break the ceiling anymore, a weekly dose is perfect for maintaining that golden zone between 60 and 80 nanograms per milliliter. The 22-day rest drain: when you stop all pills for 22 days, you are waiting out roughly one full biological half-life. Your blood D level drops by about 10% to 15% per week. The fat tissue cushion: the drop doesn't completely crash to zero because your fat cells accumulated reserves during the weeks spent at 80 nanograms per milliliter. These stores slowly leak vitamin D back into your blood, keeping your floor safely above the sufficient threshold at 58 to 60 ng/ml. Why give a rest period? The rest period is for increasing safety. Keep eating K2 in the rest period to remove calcium deposits in kidneys and veins. HBOT Synergy: HBOT remains the catalyst for cellular repair during the daily loading phase. HBOT sessions happen during the weeks of desupplementation to maximize the 60,000 IU doses and to repair the body internal parts with 800% stem cells. Pharma companies may be hiding this secret of making the public superhumans, because the public will not need their other medicines.